but lift her up, lift her up. I had to lift her up, lift her up. Lift her high. When you find someone like her, you gotta lift her up.
Hey guys, today I am back with a beauty product rave. Like, guys, pause the video and just go put it in your cart. Just what I got in the description box right down below. Pause the video and just go run to the website and put it in your cart, because I can show you better than I can tell you, and that's why I'm here today. And did I say hello? I hope I did. Hi guys, love you guys so much. And today I am back with a sponge makeup tool that I love. I haven't been using any brushes since January, guys. And what month we're in? We're in June. So it's hella lit, yo. Yeah. The product that I'm talking about is a microfiber fusion sponge by the company JUNO & Co. They were so gracious enough to send me out this to try out, and in this video I'm going to show you how much I love it and the results that I can achieve with this product. So it comes like this in this packaging, and this is fresh out of the box. This is the one that I've been using for months. You see, it's tearing. But if you look closely inside, you see that there's no makeup on the inside. It washes pretty good, but I'm going to read to you the claims and things like that. And this is a fresh one, and I'm going to dampen it too. Extra light, super smooth material for the most comfortable experience. Yes, it does indeed get bigger once you wet it, 1.5 times bigger. Flawless every day. Yes, I can attest to that. Okay, so pretty much this sponge is a fuse between a makeup brush, which is my favorite thing to buy ever. So yeah, it's a fuse between a makeup brush and a sponge, and it has the microfiber technology. If you are familiar with the concept of microfiber, then you would know that with microfiber is not supposed to absorb so much, you know, things. So hence you will save so much more makeup because the sponge wouldn't absorb, you know, most of your makeup and stuff. This ultra soft dual layer sponge saves you up to 50% of your makeup. To describe how it feels once I first take it out of the package, it is firm, but it's not like a hard firm. You know what I mean? It still has a bounce to it. However, I will say that it performs better, way better to me when it is dampened, okay? So when it is dampened, some people tried it and I guess it didn't work for them, but some people really do love it. But I would suggest just use it dampened. You know what I mean? I don't really like it when it's dry like this. Make sure that it's dampened. That's how I use it all of the time. Now it is way softer. Can you see how before it's giving me a little bit more resistance, but now it's way softer and plush. Feels so good. Guys were saying it's hard. Like, listen, the thing with sponges, you don't want it to be too soft in the beginning, because sponges eventually they start to break down, and then when they're too soft, it'll absorb most of your makeup. So come on, you guys, like, this is soft. It's really good. Like, it's perfect. I love it, right? But we're going to get into the actual demo. Yeah, and you'll see that you don't need as much. You'll see that you don't need as much makeup because it's gonna be a lot. It feels so good. I put too much because I forgot that you really don't need as much. You see what I mean? Like, you don't need as much. So it looks like a lot, but I'm gonna blend that all out. But then I guess that's good for the purpose of this video, so you can see. I'm gonna take the bottom and just blend it all out. What I really love about this sponge is that it's going to give me full coverage, and this is just a BB cream. This is drugstore BB cream. This is Black Radiance, okay? And over here is where I have problems, but you'll see I'm not gonna have to, I don't need concealers, I don't need correctors, I don't need any of those things. I have some darkness right here. You know, when there's movements, when there's bending and stuff like that, it usually forms some type of, you know, hyper color in that area. So right there, I don't need any peach or color to correct it. I'm just gonna use this in the sponge. So guys, I am back with my complete beat. Overall, I will rate this product a complete 10, but I would give it a 9.5 as far as design, performance, concept. I would give that a 9.5. What do I mean by that? For instance, this flat edge right here, having a hard time going under right there. I wish it was a point. However, they did come up with a new sponge, but that sponge, in my opinion, does not hold up to this sponge at all, because I have it. It's right here. As you can see in the package, they did bring it to a point, but the material is just, it's something about this sponge that's just game changer. Like, if you had to choose, get the one that I showed in this video, the microfiber fusion sponge. So you might have a little bit of difficulty with blending under the eye because it's not really at a point right there. But no, as far as overall performance, I give this sponge a 10 because you can still make it work. You just gotta try a little bit harder. But as far as like building, like guys, I don't even have on foundation. I have on BB cream, okay? So that right there should just tell you, I have on BB cream, I don't have on foundation. So this works bomb. So go get your hands on it. $6, and then I think I have a code too. So I'll put that in the description. Yeah, I guess I'll put that in the description. Guys, I love you so much. Guys, this is a product that I highly recommend. It's the only thing I've been using for months and months and months. I'm just saying, I'm just gonna put that out there. Hey. Sorry. I love you guys. See you in the next time. Have a blessed one. Bye.